Nissan Maxima 2006 inside. You see, just got them done, gray and black. Big shout outs to the Nissan family. Zoom in a little bit where y'all can see. See, funky fresh. Got the screens put in. You know what I'm saying? See? For show one. That's your kid. All the screens on. Everything kicker. See? 6x9's kicker. Everything inside the door.
New message from DRNL.
Pioneer in the front. See? You go look at it on the outside. Got to polishing my baby up. We'll make a few changes to it. About to get the engine rebuilt. A rebuilt engine in it. Souped up. Gotta have those horses. Brake system gonna get redone. Stay tuned for more. For show one, Big Max.